The second winner in the physician category is Dr. Pamela Wilson. Dr. Wilson is a family medicine practitioner by training, but now serves as medical director of the 16th Street Community Health Center. Through her work, she has fostered an environment that values innovation and collaboration, and as a result, more than doubled the capacity for patient care during her tenure. Today, the center operates 3 facilities, 2 in Milwaukee, 1 in Waukesha, and also operates programs at 3 UCC senior centers and in the St. Anthony schools. Dr. Wilson's goal is to continue to expand the center in order to decrease the barriers to health care for the community that the center serves. Please help me welcome Dr. Pamela Wilson.
Good morning. It's an honor for me to be here among all of the honorees, and I thank the Milwaukee BizTimes for recognizing me and the work that we do at 16th Street. For those of you who don't know about us, we're a federally qualified health center, and we work in a underserved community on the south side of Milwaukee. We employ primary care physicians, so family practitioners, internal medicine, pediatrics. We also have behavioral health providers. We have a lot of enabling services such as social services, nurse case managers, different educators to help the clinical teams do what they do. So it's a large organization, and I feel like we do a good work in the community and work towards our mission of decreasing barriers towards quality health care. As I said, our mission is predominantly to provide care regardless of insurance status, of income status, of language barriers. So it's my honor to work at 16th Street. I've been there now for 13 years, and I've been in administration for about 8 years. And I really enjoy being able to come up with ways to improve the quality of care that we provide. I think that the providers at 16th Street deal with unique challenges. I know that all health centers have their own challenges, but at 16th Street, I think that the providers have to deal with various issues that many people do not have to, at least in the Milwaukee area. I wanted to tell you about one of my own patients that I had when I first started working at 16th Street. He was in his mid-30s. His whole family came to see me, so he, his wife, his children, and he was diagnosed with biliary cirrhosis. And I don't know if you know about that, but if it progresses to the point of needing a liver transplant, it can be detrimental to your health, even fatal. And his disease did progress relatively quickly. And at that time, it was very difficult for us to get specialty care for our patients. And I happened to know a GI specialist at Columbia St. Mary's, actually, who I knew when I was a resident, who helped me manage this patient for as long as we could. And the patient reached the point of needing a liver transplant, and there was nothing further we could do for him. So he moved back to his home country thinking he would be able to get a transplant, and he was unable to, and he passed away. And I tell this story to illustrate the types of challenges that we go through. And since being in administration, it's been my privilege to really work with various teams to increase specialty care access. And we're so grateful to all of our community partners who help us be able to provide care beyond primary care to our patients. While the work is challenging, it's also very rewarding. I have patients who bring me Christmas presents. They bake me cookies, and they do all kinds of things that I don't do for my own doctor, who happens to be one of my best friends and is here celebrating with me. So, Patty, I appreciate you. Sorry I never made you any cookies. But our patients really do make us feel appreciated. Accepting this award, I'm not doing so only on behalf of myself, but of the entire team. Obviously, I couldn't do this work by myself. And so I thank the members of the team who are here today, Lori and Allison and Carrie. I appreciate you all coming. I have a lot of personal support. My father is here with me today. It was his birthday yesterday, so everybody wish him happy birthday. And I thank all of you, because I think this is not just something to provide health care. It's not something that one person, one group, one organization can do. We all work together, and so congratulations to us all.